Modern Haier portable air conditioners operate through a sophisticated refrigeration system that requires professional expertise and regulatory compliance for proper maintenance and repair. These units contain a sealed refrigeration system that uses either R410A or R32 refrigerant. The system is designed as a closed loop that should not require refrigerant additions under normal operation. The refrigeration cycle consists of four main components working in sequence. The compressor pressurizes the refrigerant, the condenser releases heat to the outside air, the expansion valve reduces pressure, and the evaporator absorbs heat from indoor air. Higher units use two primary refrigerant types. R410A was common in older models but has a higher global warming potential. R32 is increasingly used in newer models due to its lower environmental impact, representing the industry's shift toward more sustainable refrigerants. The Environmental Protection Agency requires Section 608 certification for anyone handling refrigerants. This certification ensures proper recovery, recycling, and handling procedures to prevent environmental contamination. Violations of these regulations carry substantial federal penalties. Attempting DIY refrigerant service poses significant risks across multiple categories. Legal risks include federal penalties up to $37,500 per violation. Safety risks involve high-pressure systems and toxic exposure. Equipment risks include compressor damage and system contamination. Additionally, DIY attempts void manufacturer warranties. Industry statistics reveal that 70% of DIY refrigerant service attempts result in system damage, with average repair costs increasing from $200 for professional service to over $800 for compressor replacement. Professional refrigerant service ensures safety, legal compliance, and system longevity. Certified technicians possess the required training, equipment, and legal authorization to properly service these complex systems while protecting both the environment and your investment. The professional recharge process begins with a comprehensive diagnostic phase. This critical first step ensures that any refrigerant issues are properly identified and addressed before service begins. Once diagnostics are complete, certified technicians follow a precise 5-step service procedure. This systematic approach ensures proper refrigerant handling and optimal system performance. Professional technicians use specialized gauges and monitoring equipment to track system pressures and temperatures throughout the recharge process. This ensures precise refrigerant levels and optimal performance. Homeowners should seek professional service when they notice specific warning signs. These indicators suggest that the air conditioning system requires expert attention to maintain optimal performance and prevent further damage. Implementing proper preventive measures significantly extends the lifespan of your Haier portable air conditioner and reduces the likelihood of refrigerant-related issues. Regular maintenance is key to optimal performance. Choosing professional service for your Haier portable air conditioner recharge provides multiple critical benefits. These advantages ensure long-term system reliability, legal compliance, and cost-effective operation while preserving your investment.